And then they turn to the rubber duck and they explain to the duck what they were trying to achieve, because it turns out that a lot of the problems in programming are problems about our own.
Find it and get it. And just next to the brush, there is.
Administrative structure, so the ministry and development agency who is responsible for all the things which is.
And I hope you ask because it's what
These are all self-directed. They all know exactly what they're doing. They're not needy. They, the teacher's just walking around and supervising and facilitating rather than directing them. It's interesting to see.
For the first time ever, we're now developing quality evaluation system for the very early years in Finland.
With the kids, using these items and be aware of their life. Problem nowadays globally that between these
muy informativas. Las visitas a los colegios valen mucho la pena y bueno, también hoy tuve un curso relacionado con el juego en el cual aprendí muchísimo. Una muy buena experiencia.
We got this opportunity. A lot of my team came from New York with us and we got to experience it together. And we have a lot of brainstorming to do to try to bring more outdoor play, even when it's cold.